What up, peeps? I got really nice news here. So this hard disk that I filmed yesterday with all the great stuff that this contained. Okay, German setup, but it was just amazing. Check out yesterday's video exploring Amiga 4000 hard disk in my Amiga 2000. People start writing to me, we need to preserve that hard disk. You need to upload it. There's so much greatness in there. There's so much stuff. You know what, guys? This hard disk is going to be shipped to Germany today to a big Amiga collector. He really wants to preserve what's inside of this hard disk. Such a great guy. So it's going to be sent out. It's going to be all public, not the private stuff. He's German and this is German setup, but it has got so many programs, and this was from the demo scene and so much greatness. So just a little update video. So I took that out. I'm gonna pack it and send it. So I installed this hard disk that actually came with this Amiga 2000, and I want to explore what's inside. And when I turn it on, it spins up and spins down, spins up and spins down, spins up and spins down. Then I open it up. Let's get some light in here. Aziz, light. There we go. Oh, look at this. Don't do this at home, okay? I found out that this one can't really move. It needs to come up in speed and remove this little thing over here so it goes a bit back. Like this, and then this reader can move. Now it's a dead hard disk. So what we're going to do, and I move this back. Some people just hit these hard disks. Don't do that. I just open it up. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. So again, don't do this at home. But I think that this one was the issue. But just it spins up and spins down, powers up and powers down. You can just hear the spinning over there. That's it. Okay. Again, don't try this at home. Never turn on your hard disk like this. Oh. Yes, it moves. Oh, yes. Oh, what? It blinks. Yes. Woo. It's reading, it's blinking. Oh, we got a picture. Oh. Oh man, that's awesome. So it boot up. And this SCSI hard disk came actually mounted on this GVP. What's it called? GVP HC8 plus something. It has got 4 megabytes of RAM. You can. This card has got 4 megabytes of RAM, and we have got 4 megabyte over here also, and 1 megabyte of chip RAM. So this hard disk, doom. Let's see here. Gloom. I'm sorry. It blinks. Oh, it has got a green LED on the hard disk also. Oh, nice! Wow. So, and don't hit the hard disk. Just open it up. In this occasion, this was the issue. I just pulled it back, and I think when we just turn this off, I think when it speeds, yeah, it shuts down. So it's the speed that gives some sort of activation to move this one back. Let's just try it one more time. There we go. It's actually the air that pushes it back. Oh, how cool is that? Yeah, I just saved another hard disk. But it's going to be a short video because, as I can see, this hard disk doesn't contain that much. But it works, that's cool. How cool is that? So we got Gloom and we got Warlords. And it loads. so cool. There we go. Ha, this is great, man. An old hard disk saved. I'm just gonna set this one on again and enjoy it. So, how? Yeah. Come on, read. Yes, it moves, man. Woo! Alright guys, just a fast video from RETROCENGO to you. I hope you enjoyed it. I see you on the next video. Ah, this is so cool. Let me try this also and see if it will say reading error or something. Oh man, it's so cool. Guys, give the video a thumbs up because we have saved this. And if you like my Amiga videos, consider supporting this channel on Patreon. And the best part is, this hard disk is on its way to Germany to be preserved. It has got so much greatness inside, man. Have a great day out there. RETROCENGO is gonna play some pirates on this beautiful hard disk. La 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 la. And with this mechanical keyboard. How cool is that?